Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to adjust Honda Civic headlights, easy method. Start by parking 10 feet from a flat wall on level ground, facing the wall straight on. Turn on low beams and mark the beam centers with tape. Measure and note current height relative to bumper, then use the adjustment screws behind the headlight to align beams to the manufacturer's recommended height. Test drive and fine-tune as needed. Locate the vertical and horizontal adjustment screws behind each headlight assembly and identify which screw moves which axis. Turn screws slowly, 1/4 turn at a time, and recheck the beam alignment on the wall after each adjustment. Keep the vehicle weight consistent and use a helper to sit in the driver's seat if needed to mimic normal load. Use a tape measure to verify left-to-right symmetry and approximate height values for consistent results. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more car tips. Quick recommendation. A book that can truly change how you think about money is The Simple Path to Wealth, a friendly read that pairs well with practical maintenance habits and budgeting for parts. Check the description for the link and extra deals, and if you grab it, you might laugh at how relatable the money advice is. Now let's get back to the video. After rough alignment on the wall, test the beams on a dark road to confirm visibility and glare control. Clean lenses and inspect bulbs because dirt or aging can distort beam pattern and make alignment seem incorrect. If beams still scatter, consider replacing bulbs or checking headlight mounts for damage. Make only small adjustments while driving and return to the wall setup for final verification to ensure safe nighttime driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.